In today's video, I'm going to teach you Modern Logo Design Tutorial in Canva Gradient Logo Design. We'll build a clean, modern word mark with a smooth gradient using simple tools inside Canva, and I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening a logo template in Canva. A logo canvas gives you the right dimensions and a focused workspace. With your design open, head to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Studio to bring up preset lettering styles that can give your word mark a polished starting point. Select any preset design that matches the mood you're going for, minimal, bold, or playful. Click the text box and rename it with your brand or project name. Keep it short for a modern feel. Now change the color of the text to a base hue you like. This is just a starting point, because we'll switch to a gradient next. Before we do, take a moment to tweak textures or other styling in the selected preset. Small adjustments to weight, spacing, or effects can make the type feel more custom. Look for the Gradient Effect panel and choose a gradient color style you like. Then click Edit Gradient. You'll see color stops, the little dots on the gradient bar. Click one to select its color, then click the color itself to change it. Choose colors that blend smoothly. A reliable approach is to pick one hue and pair a lighter tone with a darker tone of the same color for depth without clashing. Once your two colors are set, click Add to Design to apply the gradient to your text. Resize your text so it reads clearly at a glance, keeping proportions tidy. Reposition it for balance on the canvas. Canva's alignment guides will help you center things precisely. Next, go to the Elements tab. In the search field, type what you want to add. Shapes or patterns work well with modern logos. Add a circle shape to create a simple backdrop. Place the circle behind the text layer so the word mark sits on top. If needed, use the position controls to send the circle backward. Resize the circle so it frames your text without overwhelming it, and recenter everything for a neat composition. Change the circle's color to support your gradient, either a neutral that lets the type pop or a darker tone that enhances contrast. If you'd like, add more elements sparingly to maintain a clean, modern look. And that's your gradient logo in Canva. Simple, balanced, and ready to use.